In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Outlook account on Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to read and manage your Outlook messages right inside Gmail, without constantly switching tabs. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser on a computer. The next few options are easiest to find on desktop. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail handles mail from other providers. Scroll to the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type your full Outlook address exactly as it appears, including the part after the @ symbol, and click Next. At this point, Gmail will offer two choices. The recommended option is link accounts using Mailify. This connects your Outlook account to Gmail so you can manage it more seamlessly. With Mailify, Gmail applies its spam protection. You get convenient labels and search and actions like marking as read stay in sync. If you see this option, select it and follow the prompts. You'll be redirected to sign into your Outlook account and grant permission. If you use two-step verification, complete that as well. When you finish, Gmail will confirm the link and begin pulling your messages into your inbox, usually with a label so you can tell which account they came from. If Mailify isn't available for your address, or if you prefer a simpler copy, choose Import Emails. This brings your Outlook messages into Gmail without two-way syncing. You'll still follow the prompts to sign in and allow access, and Gmail will start importing. Keep in mind that imports can take a while if you have a lot of mail, and new messages won't mirror changes back to Outlook. Think of it as a snapshot rather than a live link. A couple of tips while you wait: leave the browser tab open until Gmail confirms the setup, and give it some time for the first batch of messages to appear. If you don't see Mailify as an option, don't worry, some accounts just don't support it yet. You can always repeat these steps later if availability changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.